What's good, YouTube? So this video is for 3 reasons, man. One reason, the first reason, the most important is I'm still alive. My girls did not kill me. We're back from the road trip. Well, not the road trip, for the test drive. Second is my boy from Hogside TV put on the comments that usually you're supposed to tie down the nut that holds the disc a little bit so it's not spinning too freely. That's one thing I never done, man. To be honest with y'all, I usually always do hand tie. If, like I said before, I'm not a mechanic, man, but that's too easy, man. Appreciate you for the tip, homie. We're about to go back, fix that real quick, and then we're gonna do the oil change with my girls. They don't know how to do oil change, but before we do the oil change, I'm gonna fix that problem real quick, knock down the dust cap, tie that down some, and then we move to the oil change, man. So let me get this out of the way, and then we go with the oil change. So the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna take this bolt out, and we're gonna drain the oil. Look, baby, get Janie, get the container right here. So you see the bolt, right? Alright, so we gotta loosen up that bolt, that way we can drain the oil. Do you see this white thing right here?
No.
Do you see it, Janie?
Yeah.
Okay, so this right here is the oil filter. This is gonna be filtering the oil that goes to the engine. So to drain the oil, we're gonna remove this one first, and then we're gonna take this one next. So we're gonna replace. We're gonna put a brand new of this one, and this is so we can get all the oil out the car. What we're gonna use is gonna be a 9/16 range. So whenever you're taking any bolt out, you gotta remember righty tighty, lefty loosey. What does that mean?
Left is to loosen, right is to tighten.
Okay, so which way do I gotta go on this one if I'm gonna take it off?
Left.
So which way?
Left.
Up or down?
No.
You don't know? You say left. Which way?
Oh, that part there.
Which way?
Up, down.
So which one is it? Up or down?
No. Up. No. Oh.
Here we go. Alright, so right now it's just loose. Watch out, move the camera out of the way. You can stop it so we can. So now that we got everything out, we're gonna put we drain the oil. We're gonna put a new filter. Before we put the filter, man, what y'all wanna do? Hey man, what you playing over there? Get your butt over here. Y'all gonna be doing this next. That's why y'all doing this. You're gonna add oil to the filter. And grab a little bit of the oil, put it around the filter. So what that means, whenever you go in and lay down, how you gonna have the filter? Facing up, yeah. Get all the little oil inside. And then we move underneath the car. Alright, so now that we got plug back on the oil pan and the oil filter, the next thing we gotta do is add the oil. Where do we have to add the oil to? Where the oil goes? No, show me the engine. Do you know?
No.
No? Alright, look. Usually, get on this side. Usually, this valve cover is on the right hand side because this is where you add the oil. But I don't know why. I don't know if somebody moved the valve cover. So what happened? But it's on the wrong side. So what we're gonna do? You see this right here for the breather? We're gonna use that. So get on this side. I'll show you. Instead of taking the whole air filter off, we're just gonna disconnect this guy right here. I'm gonna put our guy right there. This is Lucas. This one right here is for all engines. So we're gonna do 1/4 of this. You see how this one is thick? Regular oil is not this thick. So we're gonna wait for this to go down. So man, after 20 minutes of getting down the Lucas, we finally go into the oil. Alright, so check this out, man. This is what we're gonna do. We already put 1 quart of Lucas, right? So right now we're not gonna put all the oil. You don't wanna overfill this. We're gonna put some, and then we're gonna check the level. Alright, so we're gonna stop right there, and then we're gonna check the level. Hold it right there. Check the oil level. Like before we check the oil level, you see these lines right here? This line means full. This one means it's low. You don't want to go over that line right there. You want to stay at the line. That's why whenever you put in the oil, you want to check a couple of times. When you sit it there for a little bit, pull it out, boom. Should have had some more already. Nothing. Right. Got some more. Wow. Hold it. I'm gonna check it again. Let the oil go down. And you see, barely getting oil. That means we still need about 2 quarters of oil. That means we're still good. We got 3 quarters right here, so we are good. Stop right there. One more. Stop right there, hold it. Wait a little bit. So what do you think? Oil change easy? Say something, man. Yes, no, maybe.
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 Kind of.
You see, it's almost full, right? So we're gonna clean it up again. Going in, and we're gonna check the oil again, the oil level again. Whenever you're checking the oil level, you go all the way in. Cleaning it out. You see how it's a little bit higher now? So that means that we only need a little bit of oil. We don't need that much. Clean it, goes back in. What do it look like? Pretty close. Not all over the line. Put it back in. Yep, almost there. Just a little bit more. Remember, the reason why we're doing this is because we added the Lucas. Hold it. No, it takes a little bit longer, but you never want to overfill the oil. If you do, you're gonna have to go back, drain it. Wow, right on the line. Where is it at now?
4.
Right on the line, right? So again, whenever you're doing the oil change, the only thing that you need to do is do the plug. That is a 9/16. Take the oil filter out, After it drains, make sure you put oil on the oil filter. Put the oil filter, put the plug back in, and then add your oil. What do you want to do? You don't want to do what? Overfill. So how do you do it? Little by little, right? Okay, especially whenever we add in something else like the Lucas. So the Lucas is thick. You see how thick it was? The reason why is it's gonna help it's gonna stay in the engine. Whenever he's running, all the Lucas is gonna stay on the engine, it's gonna stay on the pistons. So it's gonna help lubricate a little bit better. So that's why we added that. So now this is it, man. We're done. Done with the oil change. So was it hard?
No.
Alright. So already, man, quick little video again. Oil change. These videos are mainly for my girls and I, man. They want to be driving. I don't want them to drive without knowing their way around the car. Something happens, I want them to know how to get out of trouble. This is basic maintenance, nothing crazy. Again, Hawkside TB, appreciate you, homie. Thank you for the tip. We went back, and what did we do, babies?
Fixed it.
Fix what? The nut from the disc. Yeah. So again, man, I'm not a mechanic. If you see me doing anything wrong, man, or I can fix something, please let me know. Again, I like working on my cars, especially right now, man. I'm enjoying this, working with my girls. They kind of don't like it, but I'm forcing them to be over here. Not gonna lie. They want to drive, they gotta be over here. So they say we got too many cars. All right, they can start working on them. That way they can have their own car. This one might be Jessica's. Janie, we're not gonna say what, but she got a drop top. Ooh, baby, we got one more drop top to the collection, man. I haven't posted in social media. It's not on the channel. I haven't posted anything about that project that we got going on. But once we start working on her, man, we're gonna put a video, especially the story about that car, man. That car comes with history. Whenever y'all see it, it's gonna be badass. But again, we got one more convertible to the family. Man, if you follow my boy Lowe's in the drop, he put a little video. Some of y'all have to follow him and follow me. Y'all know what we got. But later on, man, once we start working on her, we're gonna put more videos. Again, oil change and fixing the disc, man, the little mistake that I made. So thank you for watching, man. Stay tuned for the next video. Catch you on the next one.